Hey, I just wanted to give a brief unboxing and review of my new Xupermask. So let's take a look at it and see what it's all about. So as you can see, this comes in a polyvinyl bag with a latched side. Looks like a shoebox. Many people have said that before. You'll notice there's a shoebox sticker on the side. Pretty nice. A couple of stickers. They don't look like they could work outside. The material is kind of a matte, so if it got wet, it'd look kind of funky. The second one's like a sticker postcard. So there's spots for stickers, and then on the back, kind of a blank area. A lot of dense foam held together pretty nicely, so it stays pretty nice. There is an extra set of ear tips. Comes with medium ear tips, but you can swap them out for small or large, which are in this pouch. 2 of these pouches. It's extra sets of the filters, 1 inhalation, 2 exhalation. 2 of those. There's a USB-C cable. My USB-C cable had a bit of corrosion on the USB side, which is a little odd for a brand new product, but here's what it is. So we'll take out the actual product. Underneath, there is a separate cloth mask. There are some instances where you can't wear the mask, and so they'll provide this cloth mask for you. SDS, sort of data sheet. And then we have just a general instructions sheet. I'll post a picture of it at the end. Back in. So looking at the bag, pretty heavy duty. The zippers seem pretty nice. The material that it's made of, pretty durable. The stitching's actually quite durable on it. So heading around to the back, you'll notice the strap for it, and just some more kind of marketing materials, general information, how to get the quick guide, QR code, things like that. So starting at the back, small pouch, probably a wallet, a couple of cards, something in there. The thing that I like about it is if you look at the zipper space, there's a good seal around it, so it might be waterproof. I don't know if the material itself is waterproof on top, but the back is kind of that neoprene, so it seems pretty nice. So I'm getting this open with one hand, not very easy. Piece of foam holding it all in place. And then we have the mask. So we're going to put that aside and charge it and take a look at a little bit more within the pouch in just a second. Just have to go over this for a moment. So, got that guy charging. Take a peek back at the bag. So again, I said the back was neoprene. The top of it is kind of a nylon. Inside is felt. Good stitching on the belt itself. The buckle is actually pretty cool. It's thin, but quite strong. Cool little carbon fiber design on the back, but it's not. Yeah, good material. So yeah, looking at the inside, there are two pouches. The one thing that I found about these pouches is I thought they would be for the filters, to hold the filters or something like that. However, the filters don't fit in the bag, of course, in there. So this is just the tag in case people don't want to know what that is. So once it's charged, you'll see the light turns green. It said that the round LEDs were supposed to turn off. Mine didn't. So, putting it on. Struggling to put it on. Not putting it on right. Ears. Making my ears fit. Adjusting the strap. Kind of big. Looks a little goofy, but not as much as other ones do. Gotta tuck in that face fat. So you'll notice there's a good seal on the bottom. Top's got a pretty good gap on it though. It sits loosely on the top, but it's really not as tight as I thought it would be. You can adjust it, but it's still good amount of play in there. So as has been said, 3 buttons on each side. To turn it on, you press the middle button on the right side. I'm pressing it on the left side because I'm an idiot. So in a couple seconds I'll realize that I'm pressing the wrong side and switch sides. But until then, there it is. The voice recording that they have is actually pretty cool. Immediately pairs to your phone. Everything works really well. The speaker quality is fantastic. Function buttons work really well. Volume up once, volume down once. Double tap will allow you to answer a call, decline a call, change tracks, any of that stuff. Opposite side there is 3 fan settings. Pretty loud, but not terrible. Middle one is the noise cancellation, which I didn't notice working surprisingly well or anything like that. It's there, but not amazing. Bottom one is the lights. So it says it takes 2 hours to charge. I'd say mine took 3 or 4 to fully charge. Quite a while. But yeah, it works. It's great quality. I enjoy it. You'll enjoy it too. You can get one. I ordered a large and 2 mediums. By the time I finished checking out, the 2 mediums were gone. It was a pain in the butt to get this delivered. UPS was not my friend, but I got it. So couldn't use it on my last trip. I'll use it on my next trip and see.